Since the pandemic, something remarkable has been happening right under our noses. A revolution in the way we experience intimacy. I'm Robb Montgomery, and in this episode, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking and controversial developments in VR: virtual intimacy. Welcome to Stimulated Reality. Virtual worlds are designed for you to meet and play with other people. What once took place in the imaginations of fantasy and science fiction is now real, and it's reshaping views of how we connect and relate to one another. As you explore some of the spaces that are designed for fun and games, you may stumble across an invitation to enter adult-themed areas. And these spaces seem to coexist with worlds designed for younger audiences. A sea aquarium is a space that is very attractive to children.
You're controlling the shark. Oh,
no. This world is called the Aquarium, and it's offered by the developers of Meta Horizon. And there are many such safe places in Horizon worlds. But this aquarium, offered by a developer calling himself Grandmaster Monkey Jedi, is something entirely different. It advertises a sea aquarium experience, but when you enter the space, you discover that there seem to be no working exhibits.
Welcome to the Sea Life Aquarium.
But it does feature well-advertised portals to 18-plus adult-themed worlds. And these 18-plus areas in Horizon Worlds offer adult gameplay, and sexual themes are common. For adults who want to meet new people, a space like this can certainly provide a lot of entertainment. And as you wander through these spaces and play games, you may attract a partner to join you. And as you explore together, you might make some fun adventures. And as you leave the nightclub, you're directed to more adult-themed portals where you can invite your partner for a romantic one-on-one experience. It certainly can be a lot of fun to simulate the dating experience as you take in a private view and pretend to drink champagne. Then your partner discovers that there's a hot tub game, and you suddenly find yourselves being asked some very personal erotic questions about your sexual preferences. You would be right in thinking that virtual worlds have always hosted erotic experiences like this. What's different with platforms like Meta Horizon Worlds is that the immersion into explicit sex experiences is offered in spaces that are accessible to a young person wearing a headset. 18-plus verification screens are easily bypassed or simply clicked through by underage users. And that is troubling, because researchers find that criminal gangs who engage in sex trafficking focus first on meta platforms to recruit and control their victims. Instagram and Facebook top the list. Virtual intimacy can be seductive, and the intimate activities taking place live on tech platforms raise important questions for society. Digital technologies often emerge faster than governments can respond, and it is this gap that allows the virtual sex economy to flourish and prosper. As we enter this new frontier, we must ask ourselves, is digital intimacy a new norm? Do we risk losing something in our pursuit of companionship? Virtual sex is more common in modern relationships. And this is especially true with young people who have experienced the isolation of the pandemic while coming of age sexually. How will this shift to artificial intimacy affect human relationships? Stimulated reality is a global story, one that we're only beginning to understand.